Hello everybody, how are we all today? We're going to be doing like a slow cooker beef stew thing with mashed potato, and I'm even thinking of making some homemade bread if I've got enough yeast in the cupboard. But I'm going to use all my leftover ingredients from my vegetables, if you get what I mean. Basically the only thing I bought was my beef. That's it. Yeah, so what I've got 700 gram of beef. I've got red pepper, yellow pepper, a couple of carrots, a couple of onions, some garlic, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper. And I've got a bit of corn flour as well. That's it really, nice and simple. So first things first, what I want to do is I want to get a bag. Boom. We want to get, without knocking all them over, out of the way. I want to get all my beef into a bag, or do anything else. Get a knife. Get all the beef in a bag. What I'm going to do, I'm going to coat it with some cayenne pepper and some paprika, and we're going to sear it all with the paprika and the cayenne pepper. Oh yeah, why not, eh? Why not? We get all that in there, wash the hands. Yeah, so I'm going to grab a bit of a tablespoon of corn flour. We're going to get that in. Like so. Same with your paprika. Tablespoon or so, depending what you want. And the cayenne pepper, obviously with your spice. Nice and simple. I've only got some beef stock cubes there in the cupboard, which I forgot to tell you. That's all that done. Get the air out. We'll get it all a mix. Give it all a mix together. There's that. I'll leave that to the side a minute while I get my slow cooker out. We'll get that heated up. We'll get the meat in. While that's searing away, we'll chop the veggies up. Okay, that's all hot now, that pan. I've chopped all my vegetables up in my good old Aldi thing. Now we're going to get all the beef in now in the slow cooker. And we're going to give it a sear. Yeah, these little multi-cooker things are really good, you know. Especially because it does it like all in one. And I do like using it. Right, we'll give them a quick sear. Okay guys, that will do for that. That's good enough, let's get it all out. Smelling nice. I was just thinking I might make it into like I mean, I know I've already started. Into like a goulash. Because goulash is like spicy, isn't it? Yeah, we could do that I suppose. I've got some tinned tomatoes I think somewhere. Like a make up your own goulash thing, you know. Yeah, we could do that, couldn't we? Right, anyway, now let's get all your veg in for a couple of minutes. Smelling delicious. Once they start frying, we will put a little bit of garlic in there, just using squeezy. Okay, they'll be frying away for a few minutes. Get some bit of salt on the old veg. And I'm going to get a squirt of garlic in there. Nice bit of garlic there. We'll get all that a mix. We'll get that about a minute. Release that garlic flavour. Okay, that's done. Meat's going back in, juices and all. Oh yes, get it all in there. Get all a little mix together. Yeah. Now I'm going to get my chopped tomatoes in, which I did have. And I've got 500ml of beef stock. I've used 2 stock cubes. First things first, a little bit in the can. And we'll get the rest in. And we'll give that a stir. Oh, that smells delicious already, you know. It's not even cooked yet. It smells really nice. Right, we will get the lid onto that. Where have I put the lid? And I'm going to do 4 hours on high. Start. There we go. And I'm going to have a look if I've got any yeast. I think I have. And if we have, we'll do some homemade bread in a bread machine. Okay, I have got some yeast, so we're going to make some bread. I'm doing that one there. Classic white. Nice and simple. Easy enough. Just doing 1,000, that one there, because I've only got 500 gram of wheat flour. Say 6, but 500 should be enough, I think. We'll find out anyway. So, get the water in. Lukewarm water. Sugar. Salt. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put 500 grams of this bread flour in, which I got left. Because I know I only used 500 gram the other day. Like so. And my pack of yeast. It is in date, January 25, so that's lucky. Where's my scissors? Get that little shake. Yeast on top. There we go. And we will get that in the bread maker. Right. We want 1,000, don't we? Browning level. 3 hours, yeah, 'cause that's going to take 4 anyway. 3 hours there. No, 3 hours. There we go. Right, I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, guys, the bread has got 2 minutes left. You probably can't see it through there. It is browning up lightly on the top. But I'm not sure what it's going to be like because I say I didn't have enough flour. Believe it or not, I've got bread in the cupboard anyway. But I thought we could try that. That's got 1 minute to go on that, and we've got 44 minutes to go on the good old stew / goulash thing. And that smells absolutely delicious. So we'll give this 1 minute and then we'll have a look at the bread. There we go, it's just finished. Okay, quiet. There we go. Right, let's open it up. Steam, you can't see. Oh, it's hard. It seems a bit doughy. Can't see how it can be doughy, but it does seem a little bit doughy. Yeah, we'll let that cool down. Then we'll just try it anyway, can't we? Okay, we're on to the mash now. While that slow cooker's finishing off. You can have noodles or whatever you want, can't you? Or rice or whatever. I'm having mash because I've got potatoes left and I want to use them up anyway. So, I've salted my cold water. They're Mary's pipers, by the way, they are. And we'll get that to the boil. Well, there's my bread. It's all right at the side, but not at the top. There it is at the bottom. Look, I've got my got the paddles out. I always forget to get the paddles out halfway through doing it. But yeah, so I'm not quite sure whether that's quite done there. What I might do is put it in the air fryer just to brown up the top. Do you get me? To get a crunchy top. What the potatoes are doing. I think I will, because it is a bit doughy. There we go, that's a bit better. I'll just put it on 10 minutes on bake. Perfect now, nice and crispy. There we go. That should be alright now, hopefully. Don't know what the inside's like yet, but we'll find out. Still waiting for the potatoes to boil. Okay guys, the potatoes boiled and I've just drained them. Now we're going to get some butter in. I'm going to try and make this quite creamy if I can. I think instead of using a bit of milk, I might use a bit of cream. I've got some cream. Get a bit of butter in there. Get in. There we go. Nice bit of butter. We'll just get that melted for a couple of minutes. And let me tell you, I've just cut that bread up and OMG, I'm telling you, the crust on it is well crunchy. I haven't tasted it yet, it's on the table. But it looks really, really nice. Now it's been in the air fryer for like 10 minutes. Just got to be careful with my phone here because of the steam. Right, let's give it this a mash. Bit of salt. Where's my salt? Get the salt in there. Yeah, I think I'll use a bit of a good old cream, I think, instead of milk today. Get it a bit creamier. Give it a mash. Let's get some cream in there now. Let's get some cream in. Now I'm just going to put that on a really low heat, like that, just to keep the potatoes warm while we're finishing off the good old stew thing. And we'll keep mashing it till we get a nice creamy mash. I'll put a bit more butter in, so I think I'll need some. A little bit of pepper now. I'll put a bit more butter in there and a little bit more cream. And obviously you just do mash to your taste, don't you, and to your liking, I suppose. And now we're going to dish up. Right, we'll get a bowl. There's the old stuff. Look, it smells delicious. So the spices come to the top. Oh yeah, that's what you want. That's what you want. Right, we're going to get some mash on now in the middle. And I'm thinking we'll put a little dent in there like that. We could pour it in there, couldn't we? Get me good old utensil. And we'll pour this in here. Oh yeah, want a bit more than that, don't we? There's loads there. It's going to be spicy, this is. Well, it is for me anyway. And there we go, guys. Right, let's get up the table. Right then, it smells delicious. It really does. You probably can't see it properly. It's going to be hot, Bab. I mean spicy. Let's have a look at this bread. Let me show you. There's the bread, look. It's really crispy. That's having a bit with some butter. Oh! That's having a bit with some butter. Well, that butter's too hard to spread at the minute. So if you're using the marge, ain't you, Bab? Try that bread, tell me what you think, sweetheart. It's really crispy on the edge. I had to put it in the air fryer for 5 to 10 minutes. Bring that more around so you can hear.
I like that.
You like that? Yeah? And that's the good thing about these multi-cooker here from Russell Hobb. You can just put it on the table like that, look. So if you need more, jobs are good one. Yeah, yeah. Is that nice? Is that nice as well? Like a goulash, stew, soup. A bit of everything. There's mine.
It's nice and peppery.
Yeah, nice and peppery. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that means it's going to be too spicy for me. No, it's not over spicy.
I think,
Oh.
Heaven.
Heaven. Just turn that mic a bit.
That's gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Right then, let's have a crack of this stew, casserole, goulash, maybe, whatever. It smells delicious, it really does smell nice. Oh yeah, it's got a nice little kick, hasn't it, that as well?
Yep.
Not over kicky. But it's falling apart, as you can see.
I like that bread.
Well, that's nice.
Do you want me to do some bread?
Oh, I've cut some up there, look.
Yeah, do you want me to butter you some?
No, I'll try some in a second. That is really nice. Look, look the bread. There it is, look. It wasn't brown on the top, only at the size in the bottom, so I put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes just to crisp the brown up.
That's
Nice. Fluffy, look, it's really fluffy.
I love homemade bread.
It's not the biggest because I didn't have enough flour, but it's worked out okay, hasn't it?
Was you umming and ahhing about it earlier today?
Yeah, because it hadn't browned up.
Ah.
I swear I put it on to have it dark, and then when I come back it was on light. I don't know if I pressed the button by mistake wrong or it switched itself. I don't know what happened.
It's turned out well.
But it's turned out well, hasn't it?
And this is really nice. This goulash.
What I was going to do is stew. But after I'd put corn flour and everything on the beef, because you don't put corn flour in that in goulash, because goulash is mixed between like a stew and a soup. You know what I mean? So it's runny. So then I had to just watch it a little bit. So yeah, goulash stew. Delicious, isn't it?
It's really nice.
It's really nice. And with that mashed potato in the middle there. Lovely hearty meal, isn't it? All I bought was the beef.
Yep.
I had the potatoes in and I had everything else in. So, job's a good one. I'm going to go and eat it. It's 4:45 now. I'm running late. I've done a slow cooker. I'm not sure whether I'll get it up tonight, but you'll see it if you do. If not, it'll be up tomorrow and I do apologise. That's it. I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. That's going to mark it.
10.
10 and me bread.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh, that's so... 10.
10. 10 and 10. 10 and 10. I'm going to go the same. Because this bread is delicious, isn't it?
Oh, that was warm.
Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.